Hey everybody, welcome back. So I really wanted you to be here to see the first cuts. I don't know why. I thought the phone was recording. It was not. So we got the old P-62 here. Well, P-60, I'll get there. We got her put back together and we made a few cuts and you missed it. You guys should have been paying attention, making sure my camera was running, because apparently I'm not smart enough to do it. I tell you, between computers, cameras, not having enough memory, this YouTube thing is getting to be a kind of a pain in the butt. But we hopefully we took care of the memory problem. We got a new external hard drive. We'll see when I try to edit this video. But first off, I'd just like to thank everybody for watching the video if you're watching it. If you're not watching it, I don't know why. You're really missing out. But, you know, that's on you. Back to the P-62 thing. This is the saw that I had on the mill when I was milling up that lumber behind us. And I burned it up. My own fault. Just a rookie mistake, I'd say. So I got lucky and finally found parts for it. What I found was a part kit, a conversion. It's a P-62 jug and piston and flywheel and ignition. So basically this is a P-60 with the P-60 crank, P-60 rod, and it's got the jug and the piston and the flywheel and ignition off of P-62. Runs good. Made some cuts. We're running her fat, you know. We'll fire it up. We'll make a few cuts. I want you guys to listen now. This carb's got the rev limiter in it. I'm not smart enough to know what to do. If I take that out, you'll hear the rev limiter. At least I think that's what we're hearing. I don't remember it doing that before, so it makes me wonder if maybe something else is going on. You guys are smarter than me, so let me know down there in the comments what you hear. Let's make some cuts. Oh, got to show you this. Yeah, billet aluminum. These little pipes coming out the back are okay. We're gonna try to get through this in a hurry because apparently my iPhone gets hot and shuts off midstream. So all that stuff said, I want to make sure I get this in. I may have already said it, I don't remember. Aaron Lynch was a huge help when I was building this because it's my first one. I've done a lot of like small block Chevys, stuff like that. This is a different animal. Aaron helped me a bunch. Appreciate it, buddy. Let's make a few cuts. See if we can get through this without the phone shutting off. I lost my other earplug, so I got these ones. Oh, let's fire up and hope I didn't forget something that I was saying when the phone had shut off. Come on, baby. Gotta say, I'm happy with the way it's running. Can't wait to get her broke in and give her a real try. Woo! I like it. Well, so far I'm going to consider this a success. We'll find out in the long run. I can't remember if I mentioned it. If I probably did, and I think it got deleted or whatever, the phone shut off. When I was putting that together, I thought I'd cleaned out all the aluminum from the burn down, and apparently I missed a little chunk. It got up on top of that piston when I was first running it after I put it together, and right up there in that squish band, little chunk, it did a little damage to the top of that piston, right on the very edge above the rings. The rings looked fine, skirts looked fine, cylinder looked good. So I very lightly sanded off the proud areas and put it back together. Seems to run, so we'll see what happens. We will see, because it will get used. Making chips with the Pioneer. You gotta love it. So hey everybody, Labor Day weekend. I know the rest of you are a bunch of working stiffs just like me, so yeah, I'm not gonna try to keep doing anything with the phone tonight. It just wants to be hot. It doesn't want to run. I was just gonna say, you're a bunch of working stiffs like me. Go out there and have a great weekend. It's our, it's our weekend. Be safe. Go cut wood. Go ride motorcycles. Whatever you do, just make sure you can show up Tuesday morning. Love y'all. Go out and get you some.